The last video considered water treatment, and this video will look at the guidance that is available for operators and for regulators. The best summary of guidance for everyone involved is the Health Protection Agency's 2006 book, Management of Spa Pools, Controlling the Risks of Infection. There are a number of other publications available, and the Pool Water Treatment Advisory Group's publication on treatment and quality standards for pools and spas is another good source of reference. I will note at this point that most of the material in this presentation has been derived from these sources. The approved Code of Practice L8, Legionnaire's disease, was recently reviewed, and all guidance for spa pools is now contained in the HPA guidance. This is regarded as being good practice and sufficient to ensure compliance with the law, and in the foreword it is very clear that health and safety inspectors may refer to this guidance as illustrating good practice. A few words about cleaning routines. All of the following is set out in the HPA guidance. Regular cleaning is essential to ensure that all components of the spa pool system are maintained in a hygienic condition and, in particular, to prevent the development of biofilms. This will include the spa pool and balance tank, but also all associated components and the surrounding walkways. Where flexible hoses are used to fill pools, then these must be included in the cleaning and disinfection regime to ensure that they do not become a source of contamination. Daily cleaning should be methodical and carried out at the same time as the pre-use monitoring of the pool. Attention should be paid to areas like the waterline. Fake tan, for example, is the curse of a spa pool operator's life, and overflow channels, strainers and grills. Defoaming agents should be used where necessary. This is an example of an overflow channel in a commercial spa pool where daily cleaning regimes have not been adequate, and you'll notice there's some foaming on the water as well. This is the sort of grill you'd find on a jacuzzi model hot tub. Weekly cleaning should be more intensive and definitely include draining and cleaning the entire system, including any balance tanks. This is the time to pay attention to awkward areas such as headrests, covers and lids if they are not included in the daily routine. These paper filters are typical of a hot tub and require to be cleaned and disinfected on a weekly basis. This is the hot tub room at one holiday lodge complex in Argyll and Bute. You'll note the arrangements for cleaning and drying the paper filters, including the spray nozzle for washing. Half-face respirators and goggles are provided by this employer to protect their employees from potentially contaminated aerosols. Filter cleaning tasks should be considered as part of the Legionella risk assessment. Monthly cleaning really means a strip down of the spa pool as much as is practicable. This is the opportunity to make sure that biofilm is not getting established in the pipework and to take corrective action if there is any sign of it. Argyll and Bute Council have produced specific guidance for operators of hot tubs in holiday lets. This brings together the essential guidance and puts it into context for those types of operations. For example, we identified that the minimum requirement for disinfection in hot tubs in holiday lets would be an inline chemical feeder. In the next video, we will look at the requirements for monitoring and testing.